Hi everyone, Radhe Radhe. In this video, we're going to be doing chapter 17, verse 27. And here, Bhagwan Sri Krishna is continuing to talk about Sat. There were two verses merged, 26 and 27, that talk about Sat. So he's continuing to talk about the word Sat. So we've pretty much read it previous verse. We're just going to go through sing the actual verse, and it'll be a quick short verse. Okay, so let's call out to Bhagwan Sri Krishna. ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ नमो भगवते Vasudevaya. Dear Bhagwan Shri Krishna, please help us understand the meaning of the word Sat as you have explained it in these two verses, in previous verse and this verse. Please help us go deeper into it. Please help us understand how we can use this to come closer to you so that we can obtain pure Krishna Prem, pure Bhakti for you. Okay, so let's sing the verse together. This is the second part now. यज्ञे तपसि दाने च स्थितिः सदेति चाच्यते चोच्यते कर्म चैव तदर्थीयं सदित्येवाभिधीयते. So this is this part, starting from here, but I'm going to read the whole thing. The absolute truth is the objective of devotional service. So devotional service, what is he saying here as devotional service? Sadhu bhave may be sense nature of the devotion, and it is indicated by the word Sat. The performer of such sacrifice is also called Sat, as are works of sacrifice, penance and charity, which true to the absolute nature are performed to please the Supreme Person, O son of Pratha. Okay, so the absolute truth, which is Brahman, Paramatma and Bhagavan, is the objective of devotional sacrifice. It's the objective of devotional sacrifice, not devotional service, he's saying, devotional sacrifice, and is indicated by the word Sat. So what is Sat? Sat is the objective of devotional sacrifice. It is the performer of sacrifice, also called Sat. Works of sacrifice are called Sat. Penance is called Sat. Charity is called Sat. And all of these, which are true to absolute nature, are performed to please Bhagwan, or I don't know, Brahman. Okay, so we've already gone through the description last time. So let's read Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Yajna, austerity and charity, sacrifice, austerity and charity are the explanation of the word Sat, because all these activities are meant for that. In other words, when Brahman is to be indicated, the word Sat is used. When it does not indicate Brahman, the activities of Yajna, austerity and charity are all Asat. All mundane activities are contrary to the intrinsic nature of the jiva. However, at time when all these activities are centered on Brahman and committed to bring forth bhakti, so he's talking about Brahman and bhakti here, then all these activities purify the jiva's consciousness. In other words, they are suitable for perfecting one's intrinsic nature as a servant of Krishna. Okay, that's it for this verse. Wish you a day filled with lots and lots and lots of spiritual growth and lots of Radharani's mercy and lots of Krishna Bhagwan's mercy and lots of love, just outpouring of love from your soul to every other soul on the planet and to God, to Bhagwan Shri Krishna, which is our eternal ultimate nature, to just pour everything that we've got into Bhagwan Shri Krishna and Radharani. Wish you a beautiful day. Radhe Radhe.